Rahul Gandhi will be visiting today and meeting the families. My colleague Tanushka Datta is also joining us live from Aligarh, where she has been reporting from the past several days. Tanushka, if you can tell us what is the schedule of Rahul Gandhi, when is he likely to arrive?
Right, so I'm currently standing at a village in Pilakna in Aligarh. This is where leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi is expected to arrive any moment now. He's here to, meet as well as, look at what is the situation. He's here to take stock of the situation and meet one of the victims' families who's been injured in the stampede. Remember, 121 people have lost their lives in this stampede that happened in Hathras, and this is the house that the victim's family is in. This is the house where Rahul Gandhi is expected to come meet the victims. As you can see, even on the roof of this house, there is police force out here, heavy deployment of police forces for the leader of opposition to arrive. Let us see if we can talk to one of the Congress party workers here. Sir, आप हमें अपना नाम बताएं और
महानगर अध्यक्ष नवेद खान, कांग्रेस कमेटी अलीगढ़।
आपका नाम?
नवेद खान।
अच्छा, और यहाँ पर राहुल गांधी जी जो आ रहे हैं और यहाँ पर जो काम होने वाला है, क्या आगे हम एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं राहुल गांधी जी के आने से?
राहुल गांधी जी आएंगे तो इन लोगों को इंसाफ मिलेगा। जो मुजरिम है वो जेल जाएंगे। जिन लोगों ने इसमें परमिशन के बिना इतना बड़ा प्रोग्राम करा है वो लोग जेल जाएंगे। राहुल गांधी जी गरीबों की आवाज़ उठाने आ रहे हैं। जिन लोगों को हत्या हुई है, ये हत्या करी गई है, जो इन्हें रौंदा गया जिस तरीके से, ये कोई प्रशासन की कोई कार्रवाई नहीं हुई अभी तक। बाबा जी अभी जेल नहीं गए हैं। अब राहुल जी आएंगे, इन लोगों को मुआवजे की मांग करेंगे। 2 लाख रुपए का मुआवजा नहीं देना चाहिए, कम से कम 1 करोड़ रुपए का मुआवजा होना चाहिए। मरे हुए को, घायलों को 25 लाख रुपए का मुआवजा होना चाहिए।
ठीक है, शुक्रिया। So that's what we're understanding right now from one of the party workers here, and also what we do know is, as he rightly pointed out, that the Babaji, the self-proclaimed God-man, is not here right now. So we're also, we also have BJP party worker here. Thank you so much for joining us, sir. Sir, आप हमें अपना नाम बताएं. And
Vivek Bansal, and I'd been ex-MLA, and I'd been in charge of member CWC and in charge of Haryana earlier.
All right, sir. So with the leader of opposition coming here, as well as your presence here, you're the MLA of this area. So what can we expect? What do you think is happening with this matter as well, with respect to the investigation and also for the people, the victims?
Well, it's in itself a very pathetic and a very sad incident what has occurred. And I think those whosoever is responsible, and we would not like to politicize, as our leader has also asked us for that, and definitely in future every such tragic incident tends to teach us a lesson for the future. We should ensure that these sort of incidents or stampedes, they had been, and particularly in this regime, they had been happening one and all. So we should ensure, and the victims should get the maximum compensation by the government, and 2 lakhs is just peanuts. So I would demand, and the fact that Mr. Rahul Gandhi had been from day one when the incident had occurred, he had been keeping track of everything through us, and and he wanted to reach here at the earliest, and he's coming. So I would say that he wherever any sort of this incident occurs, his heart goes out for that, and he's there. He's coming here to express his solidarity with the victims and to commiserate with them.
Thank you so much, sir, for that notion here. What we're also understanding is the same thing, echoed both by the BJP MLA here as well as the Congress party worker, is that 2 lakh compensation given to the victims' families is peanuts. It's not enough, and that should be more. And what we're also gauging right now is that, as both the leaders said, that this is not an issue that should be politicized. This is not the time to politicize this issue. There's been loss of lives. It's not just a mere figure that we're talking about, but people have lost their near and dear loved ones, and a stock of the situation must be taken. We know that 6 people have been arrested, and these are the organizers or the sevadars of this satsang, the religious congregation. However, still the question remains, where is this Baba? Why has he not been named in the FIR yet? Even yesterday when the arrests were made, and the SIT team is probing into the matter, there's an SOG team as well that is being led by the ADG Agra. So the question right now is that why even now the Baba has not been named in the FIR, and when can we expect further arrests?
Right, Tanishka, and while you are reporting live from Aligarh, where Rahul Gandhi is expected to meet the victims, we also are getting live visuals of Rahul Gandhi, who is en route to the Hathras, where he will be meeting the victims.